In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete, change, and remove reminders in Slack. Whether you're new to Slack or just getting familiar with its features, managing reminders efficiently can greatly enhance your workflow. Let's dive into the process step by step, making sure you feel comfortable and confident as we go along. To get started, first, navigate to your Slack workspace and select the channel where you wish to manage reminders. It's essential to be in the right channel to ensure that your reminders are set in the appropriate context. Once you're there, we're going to focus on using specific keywords to interact with the reminder feature. Now, you have two primary ways to handle reminders. The first option involves using the simple command interface. Type the /command /remind, followed by the details of your reminder. This command lets you specify who you want to remind, what the reminder is, and when it should occur. Make sure to clearly define these parameters so that your reminders serve you effectively. After crafting the reminder, don't forget to click Save. This action ensures that your input is registered in Slack so you won't miss any important alerts. If you need guidance on structuring your reminder, consider various examples you might want to apply to your situation, such as meeting deadlines, project milestones, or even personal to-dos. The second approach to managing reminders is through manually adjusting them within the app. Begin by selecting the reminders option within your channel. This feature lists all active reminders, providing a convenient overview. To modify or delete a reminder, simply locate the item in question and open the reminder details. Within this interface, you have the opportunity to change the reminder's timing, adjust the content, or completely remove it if it's no longer needed. There will typically be a delete button available for quick removal. Just make sure you're certain before deleting to prevent losing important information. Don't hesitate to explore the use of reminders across different channels. Sharing reminders in the right team rooms can boost collaboration and keep everyone aligned on crucial tasks. Also, familiarize yourself with other options under all Slack tutorials if you need further customization. To wrap things up, finalizing the details and double checking your reminder settings can save you time and ensure accuracy. Whether you're setting, modifying, or deleting reminders, staying organized with this tool can make a noticeable difference in your daily activities. That's it for today's tutorial. Managing your Slack reminders doesn't have to be a daunting task. With a little practice, you'll be navigating through these features with ease. If you found this guide helpful, consider sharing it with your colleagues and subscribe for more tips to optimize your work with Slack. Have a great day and happy reminding.